So many girls in there, where do I begin? I see this one, I'm about to go in. Then she says, I'm here with my friend. She got me thinking, and that's when I say, where them girls at, girls at? Where them girls at, girls at? Where them girls at?
You think that will be something on the side, but you gotta understand that I need a man who can take my hand. Don't know what this is, but you got me good, just like you knew you would. Don't know what you do, but you do it well. I'm under your spell. Got me begging you for mercy. Why won't you release me? You got me begging you for mercy. Why won't you release me? Said you better release.
My name is Maxine Franciscan. I am the medal test coordinator. Just that most awesome medal test that the Stab Society has ever seen that early. And I'm being an arrogant son of a bitch. Eyes are here, not there.
Here we have our pre-champ dancers. Pre-champ, novice, they're not sure. Bear, say hello, Claire.
Hello Claire. Do I have to say my name after?
No, just say hello. And this is Chris, and he's having supper.
And he's sick.
And he's sick,
Feel sorry
and he's
for him.
hungry, and I'm moving the camera around. Okay. How can you inspire the dancers of tomorrow?
Don't dance when you're sick.
Okay, that's helpful, thank you. Why did you guys start dancing a million years ago?
I don't remember why. Probably because my mum was like, go to ballet lessons.
I started dancing because I wanted to meet girls.
Ah, nice. And Chris, tell us, has it worked?
Oh, it has. It has.
I'm a motherfucker gentleman.
Wait, is this a video?
Yes.
What's up, yo? Yeah, great fun. If you're watching this and you got the rhythm song, I'm not do it. Do that. But
Two medal tests, do intervarsity
Why did you join Ballroom?
for the girls.
definitely.
Same reason.
Sure, I didn't find out.
That seems to be like
Why do you
unanimous.
think I went to university?
Oh, I see.
Degree is a second. You dancing.